Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to transfer files from one Samsung to another Samsung. In the beginning, let's go to settings and search for backup data. Go to transfer data for device setup. And now you can select send from this phone or receive on this phone. Now you can transfer it wirelessly or via cable. And that's basically it. Follow next steps on your second smartphone to transfer or receive data. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.